Hello, in this video you will see how you generate passive income with a faceless YouTube channel. This YouTube channel is doing a lot of money only with YouTube Shorts. As you can see, this YouTube channel is generating $170,000, which is incredible, an amount only for YouTube Shorts. Do not worry, I will explain step by step how to do this. First, we will go to ChatGPT, which we will use to generate the information of the animal. We will ask to give us the 10 most interesting animals for the general audience with shocking facts. And then we will ask to describe each of those facts using between 40 and 60 words. Now we're going to go to this app called Play, HT, using the link in my description. You can sign in with Google or create a new account. After logging in, you will see this screen where you will press the Create Audio button. Here you can choose between two options. Choose the ultra-realistic voice option. Here you can write or paste the description of the animals, and this application will create the voice for you. You can also choose from a wide variety of voices that the application has for you, and in different languages, genders, styles, and much more. You can preview it to hear how it sounds and choose the one you like the most. You can then export the generated audio as a single audio or separate it into different paragraphs, and it will download the audio file for you. Now we will go to Canva, and in the search bar we will write YouTube Shorts, which will give us access to several pre-assembled templates, although we will choose to make a new one for this example. On this screen, we will go to Uploads on the left, and in the Audio tab, you can upload the audio file that we generated earlier. Once it finishes uploading, you can click it to make it appear in the audio bar of the video template. Now we will go to Pexels to find the images that we will put in the video. Don't worry, I'll leave all the links in the description. We will look for photos of our chosen animal, and then we will go to Filters and place the vertical option, so we save cutting it later. We can download the images with complete peace of mind, since all of them are free of copyrights. And also on this page, you can search for videos if you wish, following the same steps. You can preview them if you like and download it in the same way. Now again, in Canva, after having uploaded all the images. We will choose one by one, and we will drag them to the Add button in the editor. We will do the same process with each one, and we will adjust until all the audio is complete in the way that we like the most, and then we can preview it to make sure we like the result. We have the images, now we need the music. For that, we will go to YouTube Studio, and on the left side, we will search for YouTube music. On this screen, we will go to Filters, and we will choose to filter by genre and then by ambient. Then you can choose and download the one you like the most. All this music does not have copyright problems, so we can download it with complete peace of mind. Now, back in Canva, we'll upload the music and drag it under the other audio track and adjust it, and that's it. We are done with this. Now we press play to see the result.
With its wings fluttering around 50 times per second, the hummingbird achieves remarkable feats such as mid-air hovering and even the ability to fly backward, showcasing agile mastery.
It is going very well, but we are still missing something, the subtitles. For that, we will go to VIO, and then we will log in either with our Google account or by creating a new one. Once logged in, on this screen, we will choose to create a new project and then upload our exported Canva video. Once the video finishes loading, on the left, you will go to the subtitles option, and then you will choose the auto subtitles option. Choose the language you prefer, and then press the button to create the subtitles. This process will take a while to complete. Once completed, you will see how he has already added the subtitles, and also transcribed each one with its time. Then check that everything is fine, and then you can modify the styles of the text using templates or modifying the font size and color. Finally, we press the Done button and export the video file. This will open a screen where we can preview, share, and download our video. We've already created our YouTube short. Now let's see how it turned out.
With its wings fluttering around 50 times per second, the hummingbird achieves remarkable feats such as mid-air hovering and even the ability to fly backward, showcasing agile mastery.
In case you hadn't noticed, this video was crafted with artificial intelligence. If it was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel. Remember, entrepreneurship isn't just about making a living, it's about making a difference. Let's innovate together because the future is shaped by dreamers like you.